Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching.
Yeah.
Alright, we're about to hit this S70. Get this thing cranked up soon. Getting the exhaust hung. Look at there. Man. Look at that piece coming back. 3-inch. Come over through this resonator. Then back to 2.5. This thing's going to be singing. Singing that IPD song. Parking brakes. The other side had a shoe tread missing. I guess we'll call it tread material, shoe material. Pulled this one off, it fell off. So good thing we just decided to do both, had enough parts to do both. And we're gonna get these things reset, set up so that they work good. Stop the car from rolling around. Installing these Melee parking brake shoes, the shoe was not touching the bottom of this here and here. I had to take and file out some of the metal in there so that that would touch. If that doesn't touch, you can't get your rotor over it. So be aware that that stuff should touch there. I had like a 1/4 inch gap. I still got about a 1/16 of an inch gap there, but I don't think that's enough. I had about a 1/4 inch gap, so I'm gonna hook the rest of this up, try this again. We have the wheels on, the brakes on, the rotors on, the brake system bled, intake manifold on. Only pipe we got left is the OTE pipe and the intake pipe on the intake side of the turbo. Be ready to fill fluids and fire this thing up. Rip kit in. Need the airbox and the battery and fluids. And she lives. She should. I'm surprised they ain't puffing more than that. We cranked it 15 seconds on, 15 seconds off till we got rid of the low oil pressure. Get oil flowing through that turbo. Then we cycled the key 3 times to get good fuel pressure. And he hooked the ignition and fuel pressure up. Man, that thing started in 4 or 5 seconds. Fired right up. Heck, it wasn't even that long. It was a 2-second start. She's purring, burning off all the crap we spilled down in here. We're gonna put the hood on it, take it for a test drive. Cause she got a tune, baby. Got everything hooked up and plugged in. We're gonna do a casual drive around data log for Aaron or for the tune, and then check out that other car. The heck the other car go? We can't do a pull because it's raining too hard. But he's got that white car you've been seeing out here, XC70 98 model. We're gonna take a look at that, see what that car needs to be a comfortable daily, and go from there. Car's running. We forgot to purge the air out of the power steering system before we started the car, so we filled it up with fluid. Hopefully it'll be okay. Steering rack, power steering pump. We have the data log running, log recording. We're going to record this little drive down through the neighborhood and send this file to the tuner. Hopefully my little external plug-in deal will be fine. We don't kill the battery on this computer while we data logging. The S70 is alive and well. Got some horrible tires on it, but other than that, it sounds good. It's running good. He's gonna get this alignment done, take care of the tires, The power steering quieted down, whisper quiet. He's good to go. Had a rear cam seal leak, replaced that. Rear cam seal leak apparent at the intake cam, we're going to replace that. The light bulb wasn't in right. This cap was off the back of the light. The battery tray was totally loose. We put 2 screws in that. It's missing a grommet going through the fender well. You're going to get one of those. So we're going to pull this rotor off so we can get at that cam seal behind it. Pulled the rotor sensor or thing off, and cam seal fell off in my hand. Let me go grab the one I have. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.